Beginner Forex trader, are you tired of getting stopped out of the trade too quickly, or you are tired of missing your take profit target? In this video, I'm going to show you all to simply hit the thumbs up, click subscribe, and share to help beginner Forex traders somewhere. Having said that, let's dive right into it. The essence of setting take profit and stop loss is actually to practice what I'll show you now consistently. You will remain in the game very long enough and grow your account gradually. Let's cover the basics. What is take profit? The take profit is a target you set. And then the moment price gets to that your set target, your trade automatically closes. And what is stop loss? Stop loss or SL, when the price goes against you and it hits a particular level of price, you will be automatically stopped out of the trade to stop you from losing more. And your take profit is your finishing line, while your stop loss is your emergency exit. Do not risk more than 2% of your account balance. If in a particular trade you want to risk $20, that means you should be gaining about $60. That is a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. If you have been trading, let me know what your risk to reward ratio has been. When I'm talking of 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, it doesn't mean that wherever you like or feel comfortable with, you should put your take profit or your stop loss, which we are going to see in practical right now. So it should not be placed emotionally or by belief. You're supposed to be placing your stop loss or take profit based on the realities you see on the charts. Let me know how many pips your TP is currently at. For you as a day trader, you get onto the 15 minutes time frame, and then you see right here that this is where there has been massive resistance. You see double bottoms right here, or even if you don't have double bottoms, because I'm going to be showing you different ways. You're going to make sure you're pulling your stop loss to make sure that even if price comes down again, it will not hit you. But then you set your take profit at the nearest place from which sellers brought down the price from. But now, as price keeps pushing towards the high, it is also wisdom to now adjust your stop loss to your entry zone. You can see right here, I did raise my stop loss to come closer to my entry, right? And now placed yesterday, and you can see, yeah, this got seeing where the price actually took off from is the right place to set the stop loss. 3654 is at the exact place I placed the trade. And now price is actually showing me where I'm to place the stop loss, which is at 3629. So if you get to this point, that means it will go lower. So you hit your stop loss. But now you can see where the TP is at. And now for this particular kind of trade, as a swing trader, remember you do your research, because at this point, XAU USD was actually in its all-time high. That's why I got from my research that it will hit 3,700, which is almost hitting now. So as a swing trader, you're working with both technicals and fundamental analysis. As a swing trader, it's just important you understand the direction of the market. You go to the lower time frame like 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes and make your entry. So scalpers, come closer. If you are a scalper, let's see You see right here, as a scalper, you want to make some short entries and exits, and you can see a lot of pin bars here. Each time price gets to the stop, it comes down. You can see I'm checking this with 15 minutes time frame. Price got here, buyers pulled it all the way up, and then sellers said, no, you can't defeat us, you can't exceed this line. So sellers pulled it all the way back down, and they have been in this axis. So as a scalper, you're just going to wait after this push up and push down back to your waiting zone. You now know that price is not passing this level at the moment. So when it gets here and you know it's now on this average, you have to wait for this particular pin bar or two candle closure together, all right, that it will be something like this. Let me just wait. So I had to wait, as at that moment I placed this particular trade, as you can see right here, and now see where I set my take profit and stop loss. Stop loss just below the particular place it took off from, because it's a small account, that's why it's for scalping. And then for the take profit, you see exactly, the chart is showing you exactly where to set the stop loss and take profit from, which you can see right here where I place the stop loss. And now for the take profit, I just brought it down a little bit just to match the expectation of the risk to reward ratio, which is 1:4. Right? 1:4. The stop loss is at $1 plus, take profit at $7 plus. I just waited just for the purpose of the video I was shooting with it, and then price actually took off. This is actually the benefit of getting into the trade only at the right time, so that you wouldn't be having unnecessary panic. Price actually gradually pushed up, as you can see here. You see the balance increase to the top, but if you're trading with a small account, you can actually see that no matter what sort of trader you are, there is a place for you in the forex market. And I've decided to teach you for as long as I keep seeing what areas you're lacking in. Let me know in the comment section if you found this helpful, and remember to comment what areas you're having challenges in. I'm just here to help bridge the gap between professionals and newbies that don't know anything about forex trading. That's why I try to start from the scratch. But however it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this. Thumbs up.